Hi students, John here. Chapter 1 Application of Matrices and Determinants, Exercise 1.5. So question number 3, an amount of 65,000 is invested in 3 bonds at the rates of 6%, 8%, 9% per annum respectively. The total annual income is 4,800. The income from the third bond is 600, more than that from the second bond. Determine the price of each bond. யூஸ் காஸ் எலிமினேஷன் மெத்தட். ஒரு தொகை 65,000 ஆண்டிற்கு முறையே 6%, 8% மற்றும் 9% என்ற வட்டி விகிதத்தில் 3 பத்திரங்களில் முதலீடு செய்யப்படுகிறது. மொத்த ஆண்டு வருமானம் 4,800. மூன்றாவது பத்திரத்தில் கிடைக்கும் வருமானமானது இரண்டாவது பத்திரத்தில் கிடைக்கும் வருமானத்தை விட 600 அதிகம் எனில் ஒவ்வொரு பத்திரத்திலும் முதலீடு செய்யப்பட்ட தொகையை காண்க. காஸ் நீக்கல் முறையை பயன்படுத்துக அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ இந்த 3 பாண்ட்ஸையும் XYZன்னு கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கலாம். So given first condition, so 3 bonds become 64,000 சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. So x plus y plus z is equal to 65,000. Consider as equation number 1. So second condition becomes, so 6% of first bond. So 6% of first bond becomes x, plus second one 8% of second bond, plus 9% of third bond is equal to the total amount 4,800. Consider as equation number 2. Third condition becomes, third bond is more than that from the second bond சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. So minimize பண்ண போறோம். Third bond becomes 9% of Z minus second bond 8% of Y. We get rupees 600. Third condition. So now I'm going to minimize second equation. So percentage means 6 by 100 x plus 8 by 100 y plus 9 by 100 is that, which is equal to 4,800. So common LCM and then multiple pannona we get 6x plus 8y plus 9z is equal to 4,800 multiple by 100 we get, okay, then similarly 9 by 100 is that minus 8 by 100 y is equal to 600. So here also taking LCM and cross multiple we get 9z minus 8y which is equal to 600 multiple by 100. So I'm going to add 20. So we get 60,000. So here I'm going to arrange minus 8y plus 9z which is equal to 60,000. Consider as equation number 2. Consider as equation number 3. Here I am going to arrange the given equation. First equation becomes x plus y plus z is equal to 65,000. Second equation becomes 6x plus 8y plus 9z which is equal to 4,80,000. Then third one minus 8y plus 9z which is equal to 60,000. So this equation can be written as in the form of matrix. Coefficient of x becomes 160. Coefficient of y becomes 1 8 minus 8. Coefficient of z becomes 199. Then coefficient of xyz matrix which is equal to constant value becomes constant matrix. 65,000, 4,80,000, then 60,000. Here I am going to give the name for the matrix. This becomes A, this becomes capital X, this becomes B matrix. Now I am going to write in the form of augmented matrix, அதாவது விரிவுபடுத்தப்பட்ட அணியாக மாற்ற போறோம். So augmented matrix of A bar B becomes, A matrix becomes 1 1 1 6 8 9, then 0 minus 8 9, constant matrix 65,000, then 4,80,000, then 60,000. So this augmented matrix can be minimized in the form of row echelon form. So condition for row echelon form becomes, so step 1 becomes first row first element does not equal to 0 னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. So இங்கே 1 இருக்கு. So no problem. First row there is no change. So I'm going to do step 2. Step 2 first second row first element becomes 0 னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. இங்கே 6 இருக்கு. So அந்த ரோவை நம்ம 0வா மாற்ற போகிறோம். Using row 2 and row 1 யூஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம 0 ஆக்க போகிறோம். So first row அப்படியே என்ட்ரி கொடுத்துடலாம். First row becomes, so R2 becomes, R2 and R1 compare பண்றோம். So 6 here multiple by 6 now we get 6 minus 6 easily we get 0. So R2 minus 6 times of R1. So R2 becomes 6 8 9 4,80,000. Then R1 multiple by 6 we get 6 6, then 6 65,000 multiple by 6 we get 3,90,000. So here I'm going to introduce minus for all. So 6 minus 6 becomes 0, 8 minus 6 becomes 2, 9 minus 6 becomes 3, then 4,80,000 minus 3,90,000 we get only 90,000. So I'm going to enter this value here 0 2 3 90,000. Then R3 becomes, already condition third row first element becomes 0. So here there is no change. So I'm going to enter row 3 directly. So 0 minus 8 9 60,000. Then third step becomes, third row second element becomes 0 அப்படின்னு சொல்லணும். So going to enter first two rows. Now I'm going to compare third row second element becomes 0 கொண்டு வரணும். So compare R3 and R2. So R2 and R3, here multiple by 4 we get 8. So 8 minus 8 directly we get 0. So R3 becomes, R3 I'm going to give symbol plus 4 times of R2. So I'm going to write R3 becomes 0 minus 8 9 then 60,000. Next one R2 multiple by 4, 0 2 4s are 8 3 4s are 12, then 90,000 multiple by 4 we get 3,60,000. So here I'm going to add 0 minus 8 plus 8 becomes 0. So 9 plus 12 becomes 21. Here 60,000 plus 3,60,000 we get 4,20,000. So I'm going to enter this value here 0 0 21, here 4,20,000. So now I'm going to minimize the third row divisible by 21. So which is equivalent to, so first row becomes 1 1 1 65,000. Second row 0 2 3 90,000. Third row is divisible by row 3 by 21. So we get 0 0, here 1 times of 21 becomes 21, here 2 times 4 2, the remaining 40 I'm going to enter here. So 20,000. So here forms a row echelon form. Therefore, augmented matrix A bar B forms a row echelon form. Then this row echelon form matrix can be written as in the form of equation. So first one, x plus y plus z is equal to 65,000. Then second equation becomes x becomes 0. Then 2 times of y plus 3 times of z is equal to 90,000. Then third equation becomes x, y terms are 0. Then z becomes 20,000. So directly we get z value. So z is equal to 20,000 அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு in this equation substitute பண்ணுவோம். We get so 2 times of y plus 3 times of 20,000 is equal to 90,000. So 2 times of y plus 3 2s are 6. So 60,000 we get is equal to 90,000. So 2y is equal to 90,000 minus 60,000. So 2y becomes 90,000 minus 6,000 we get 30,000. So y becomes 30,000 divided by 2, we get y is equal to 15,000 is the answer for y. So next I am going to find x value. So here y is equal to 15,000, then z is equal to 20,000 அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு I'm going to apply this equation. So we get x plus y becomes 15,000 plus z becomes 20,000 is equal to 65,000. So here x plus 20 plus 15 becomes 35,000 is equal to 65,000. So x is equal to 65,000 minus 35,000. So we get x is equal to 30,000 is the answer for x value. Therefore bond x is equal to rupees 30,000. Then bond y is equal to rupees 15,000. Then z is equal to rupees 20,000 is the answer.